In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find all your subscribed workshop items and content in Steam. First, open Steam on your desktop. Give it a moment to load your library and community features. Make sure you are signed in to the account you use for your games, since your subscriptions are tied to your profile. Once Steam is up, look toward the top of the window for the main navigation bar. Hover your mouse over Community and then click Workshop. The workshop is where creators publish mods and add-ons for supported games and where your subscriptions live. You'll land on the main workshop page. Here, Steam highlights popular items and lets you browse by game, but we're going straight to your personal area. Look for the link labeled Your Workshop Files. Depending on your layout, you'll usually see it in the sidebar or under your profile avatar on the right. Click that link to open your workshop dashboard. This page collects everything related to your workshop activity, including items you've posted, favorite content, and what we need next. Your subscriptions. Inside your workshop files, find and select the Subscribed Items tab. This view focuses specifically on all the workshop content you've opted into. Steam will load a list of everything you are currently subscribed to, neatly organized by game. If you subscribe to mods for multiple titles, you'll see them grouped accordingly, which makes it easy to scan and manage at a glance. You can usually sort or search within this list to zero in on a particular item or game. From here, managing your content is straightforward. Each entry displays its title, preview image, the game it belongs to, and an unsubscribe button. If you no longer want an item, click unsubscribe next to it. Steam will immediately remove that subscription from your list. Keep in mind that unsubscribing stops the item from updating and removes it from your workshop content the next time the game checks for changes. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the items page in the workshop and subscribe again. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.